Seinraij Jowai held a press conference yesterday at the Seinraij Jowai office to discuss the upcoming Behdeinkhlam festival. During the press conference, President of Seinraij Jowai, Hercules Toy, announced that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will be the chief guest on the final day of the festival, along with other cabinet ministers. The Behdeinkhlam festival, also known as a 4-day, 3-night celebration, will be attended by faithful believers who follow the traditional Niam Tre religion. The annual Behdeinkhlam festival, celebrated by the Penar community in Jowai, will be held from June 30th to July 3rd this year.
Hari Islam tiba pun hari bias nak hantam di Islam yang lang Islam kamu lagi mesti wah itu waktu lok kamu lagi lok awal itu na kamu kawasan foreign tourist yang mentara akademik dari Islam.
The Regional Institute of Advanced